on the website www.utsang.net. Utsangpa, living anywhere in the world, can vote for their 10 preferred Utsang Chithue. This online voting is open to every Utsangpa globally and is not limited to our fellows residing in India, Nepal, or Bhutan. Your participation truly matters. Each vote helps reveal the true sentiments and aspirations of Utsangpa everywhere. And just days before the final election, we will share guidance and present the top 15 candidates, shaped entirely by the collective approval of Utsangpa. Together, we can make the difference. Your voice matters. Your choice matters. Our unity matters. Come and cast your vote now at www.utsang.net.